Hello everyone, welcome to you all in my YouTube channel Trading Hub Nepal. And guys, in the previous video I was talking about the smart money concept, and in this video I'm gonna talk about the trend of the market. Especially guys, you have heard there are three kind of trends in the market. The first one is uptrend. Uptrend is also called the bullish trend, and the second one is bearish trend, and the third one is sideways trend. So normally market run on the basis of these three kind of trend: uptrend, downtrend, and sideways trend. And guys, bullish market is also called the impulsive. In the bullish market makes the impulsive move. And then you can see here, market here, first market to go up and make this higher high, and make market come down and make this higher low, and again market makes higher high and this level higher low, and all these moves are called the impulsive move. In the bullish market, this move is called the impulsive move. And another move, here you can see, in the this diagram, we can see that market is in bearish trend. And in the bearish trend, market always down, by making lower lows and lower highs. This is the lower low and this is the lower high, here you can see. And again market come down and make this lower low, and this level is lower high, and again market change its character from bearish level to bullish. Then this is the change of character over here, and after change of character this lower low is confirmed. So guys, market always moves by making, if market is bullish, then market makes higher highs and higher lows, and if market is bearish, then market makes lower lows and lower highs. And if the market is sideways trend, then market always makes highs and lows. And the lower part of the market is called the base or support level, or upper part of the market is called the resistance level. I'm gonna move towards the chart and make you all easy to understand. And this is, here you can see I'm on the weekly time frame of gold, and here you can see the sideways trend of the market. Guys, the market makes the ceiling over this level is the ceiling level, or this is called, this level is also called the resistance level, and this level is called the support level. And market is moving in between this level. When market come down, a market take the support in this level, and when market goes up, market takes the resistance in this level. So guys, basically there are, I already told you, there are three trend in the market. And from here, from this level to here, guys, the market is in uptrend from here. And in the uptrend market, market always makes the higher high and higher low. Here you can see I'm marking the structure, and here you can see market is making higher high and higher lows in the bullish market. And this move is also called the impulsive move. And guys, you can see market is in the bearish trend from this level to this level. So we mark the structure on the basis of it, and I'm marking the structure, and this is the hourly chart, you can see. And I'm marking the structure on the basis of this. Here you can see market makes the lower lows, lower highs, and again make lower lows and lower highs. And in the bearish market, the market always moves down by making lower lows and lower highs. And guys, this move is also called the corrective moves. If market is bearish, at that time market makes lower lows and lower highs, and market is continuously come down. So this move is called the corrective move also. And in the bullish market, market always makes higher highs and higher lows, and this is called the impulsive move. So guys, now you have understood about the trend of the market. If you see any naked chart, then you can easily identify the trend of the market on the basis of this video. So I hope this video is helpful for you to identify the trend of the market. So guys, this is this much for today, and in the next chapter I'm going to explain about order blocks. What are the order blocks, which order block is higher probability order block, and how order block work in the market. So in the next chapter I'm going to explain about all these, And guys, if you are new to my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my channel. And if you have any queries, then you can write down below in the comment box. I will try to fix your problem as soon as possible. So guys, for now, this much for now, guys. And thank you so much for listening me.